Alright, we're here at EFI Express doing a dyno pull on Luis Hernandez. This is a bone stock 5.3, but he wanted a dyno video of it, and we did a little tweaking on it, and here it goes. And for a bone stock engine, this is putting out some pretty good numbers. You can see its air fuel is nice straight across, and here is the final number on it. We're getting 275.3 horsepower at 5,200 RPMs. And this is a bone stock 5.3 out of a 03 Yukon. LM7 with a cast iron block and aluminum heads. And that's it for our video today.